Hello and welcome to Accelerate Growing to the Next Level. This is a very powerful YouTube series in which you will learn how to systematically take your career to next level step by step in a systematic organized manner. I'm going to share all my lovely lessons that I have learned that I used in my own professional journey, and also the lessons used by many of my coaching clients in their professional journey to grow, become better in the career. And when I work with people very closely, most of the time the question is, how do I grow in my corporate career? I'm a young engineer, I'm a team leader, I'm a mid-level manager, I'm a senior leader, but I want to grow in a corporate career. Is there a method? Is there a system to it? Is there a systematic process that I can learn using which I can apply and become better and grow in my professional journey? This video series will give you all those lessons, all those strategies, tools and methods and step-by-step process with which you can become a better professional and you can grow in your career. The first session in the series is titled Intention Anchoring. I'm going to talk about the power of human intent, my dear friends, for next couple of minutes. The most powerful force in this entire world or this universe is the human intention. The recent scientific discoveries are saying there is nothing that can be materialized or that can be visualized in the human mind which can also manifest in reality in the real world. For many years, researchers were claiming that human intent has no control on the reality outside in this world. But in recent research, past couple of decades, scientists, the brain scientists, human experts are coming to a clear conclusion that you can change the physical reality outside by changing your mental reality, which is your intentions inside you. Imagine if you don't have an intention to accomplish something, to get something done, to buy a product, to buy a mobile phone, to buy a car. You will not really go and buy it, isn't it? As simple as picking up a mobile phone from here, a pencil from here to here. If there is no intention in my mind to pick up this pencil, I will not pick this up. It lies simply there. So every human action is preceded by a human intent. There is an intention. There is a desire inside you that will give you a thought. Maybe now I should get up and go drink a glass of water. Maybe I should start writing an article. I should record a video like this. Maybe you are browsing through YouTube, clicking here and there, you saw this video. Maybe you are having an intention right now to stay on and watch this video till 15-20 minutes and learn from this video. So every single action of human beings, action of yours, is driven fundamentally by our intentions. If you don't have intentions, you will not act. And the reality is every one of us in this world have dreams, have aspirations, but do not have real intent or intention that will drive us to take tangible action that will give results. The question is, what are your intentions in terms of your professional journey? If somebody asks you a question, what is your plan? Where do you see yourself 3 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now? Where do you really want to grow in your professional career? When you go to any interview, oftentimes you face this question, right? Where do you see yourself? And most of the time, people do not have a very clearly defined answer for this question, where do you see yourself in the future? That might happen, might not happen, we don't know. But do you have the dream in you? Do you have that intention in you to accomplish, achieve something larger, something bigger? That is an important question. I go talk to young professionals, managers, college students, and faculty members. Every time I meet a young college student, the question I always ask is, what do you want to become in your life in the future? The most common answer is, sir, I'm not very sure about what to become, what to do. I'm just here in the first year, second year. Let me explore what happens in life. Let me think about it in the final semester, final year, when the placement comes in. Till then, I'll just loiter around, have fun, relax, and I don't have any desire, drive, or intention to achieve something in my career or life. Same thing happens in the corporate world also. What do you want to become? What is your goal in 3 years, 4 years, 5 years? Very rarely people say, I want to become a team leader, I want to become a department head, I want to become a business unit leader, I want to become a vice president, I want to become a CEO in next 15, 20, 25 years. Having a very clearly defined roadmap, defined agenda, defined milestone, defined aspiration is missing in a lot of people. If this one aspiration is missing, then there is no drive, there is no dream, there is no action following that. So, the fundamental factor that will help you grow in your professional journey is having a clear aspiration, a clear goal, and intention to grow in your professional journey. Peter Drucker, the world famous management guru, said this: if you keenly watch and notice every single great accomplishment in this world, behind that you will find a person with a mission who is a monomaniac. What does he says? Look at all great accomplishments, crazy accomplishments. Behind that you will see somebody with that monomaniac, single-minded focused intention to accomplish that. A simple example is Elon Musk and his SpaceX. When the entire world believed for many years that rocket launch vehicles cannot be reused, rockets can't be reused. You launch a rocket, the rocket goes to the orbit, it launches the satellite on the orbit, and the rocket burns and goes into the sea. And scientists and space organizations and countries and nations are pumping billions of dollars in building these rockets that just go launch and go into sea, one-time use. Elon Musk asked a very fundamental question: why can't I reuse these rockets like we reuse the airplanes that take off and land and take off and land? We don't trash the airplane after every journey, isn't it? We reuse them for multiple thousands of flights. When an airplane can take off and land comfortably and safely and can be used multiple sorts, why not a rocket can take off and launch the satellite in the orbit and come back and land safely for the next launch? That one basic question, that one basic intention to design, to develop a technology that creates a reusable rockets is what made Elon Musk build SpaceX, so such a wonderful organization. Steve Jobs' intention to build a world-class product, a breakthrough product, innovative product. Mahatma Gandhi's intention to set this nation free from the colonial system. Martin Luther King's primary intention to set this people free from all this color, creed-based discriminations. So behind every single massive accomplishment, if you go watch very closely, there is a person, he or she, who's a monomaniac with the mission, with the intention to accomplish that goal. Which means every single creation in this world is done twice, my dear friends. Once in the mind as a mental creation, then in the physical creation outside. I want to build a course like this, accelerate, grow to next level. If I don't have that mental creation, how many classes I want to take, how many sessions I want to conduct, what topics I want to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, how long I want to go. I don't want to go for 30-minute, 1 hour long session. I want to create and record some 12 to 15 minute short videos for you to consume quickly, learn, implement, build your life and career. So I had all this mental creation in my mind. I sat down, picked up a bunch of paper, made all the plan on how this course is going to be on this YouTube platform for the professionals, for senior leaders to come and learn in their professional journey. So I sat down, made all the plan on the paper. So my mental creation becomes a reality on the paper as a plan, and then the whole plan is executed while I record this video. I record it, edit it, do all the background check and everything, then post in the YouTube channel, and now you are watching this video and learning about the power of intentions in this video. So which means this real physical creation of this video that you are watching was made on the paper as a plan before this video. And before the plan, it was my intention, it was my thought process, it was my idea. So the thought in my mind, the idea in my mind turned into a framework, turned into a program outline in my mental framework. Then I drew it on a paper as a plan, as a session, as a topic, and then I picked up my camera, recorded the whole course for you, and now you're watching this. Which means every single creation in this world is created twice. Once in the real world outside, once in the minds of the people inside. The mental reality, the mental creation is once, and the physical creation outside is second time. Look at all great artists, a great painter, great sculpture, a great design. Everything is done twice, isn't it? One, the painting happens in the mind of the painter first, and then he paints in the real world outside. Likewise, great careers are also designed and built twice. Once in the mind of the person as an intention, as a dream, as a plan, and then when you execute, happens in reality. So I really want you to have this deep down desire, deep down intention, focused aspiration to grow in your professional journey. That is the fundamental lesson in this first video, my dear friends. I'm going to quickly take you through a very powerful exercise, and I call this intention anchoring exercise. A very powerful meditative exercise, and I want you to do this along with me. You'll just need 4-5 minutes for this. Sit with me and do this, and this is very powerful to start this whole journey of next 9-10 lessons, 10 sessions on accelerate growing to the next level. Just sit straight wherever you are. Sit straight comfortably. Keep your mobile phone in front of you or a laptop in front of you. Sit straight comfortably. Put your foot down on the floor, both the foot down on the floor, palms facing sky. Place it on the chair, on the armrest, or on the thighs, and very gently close your eyes. Gently close your eyes and follow my instructions. Gently close your eyes. Very gently close your eyes and follow my instructions. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. While exhaling, do a long exhalation. Inhale and a long exhalation where you feel completely relieved. Completely relieved. Inhale. Exhale. As you inhale and exhale, bring your complete attention and focus onto your nostrils and focus on the breath going in and coming out. Focus on the breath going in and coming out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. As you breathe, as you focus on your breath, go deep inside, inwards. Go deep inside you. Relax. 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 Your entire body from head to toe is in a deep, relaxed state. You feel lighter and you are very gently floating in the air. Lighter, lighter, and lighter. Project a screen in your mind's eye, in front of you, in the mind's eye, a very big screen, a movie theater screen, and start playing a video of yourself today in the current role in your professional life. See yourself going to office, going to your cabin, going to your cubicle, using your laptop, making a presentation, doing your work. Look yourself on the mind screen. What are you today? What you do today in your workplace as a professional? Whatever role you play, whatever level you are, whichever organization you work for, look at your current state of work. The way you dressed up, the way you speak, the way you talk to people, the way you carry yourself. Look at that. Look at that. We will now start going forward in the timeline to 10 years forward. Imagine you are in 2030. You are in 2030, 10 years from now, forward from now. Look at the screen and see yourself. What are you doing as a professional in 2030? What is your designation? What is your role? Which company do you work for? What is your take-home salary? Which car you drive? What kind of home you live in? Your relationship, family members, your children, their school, the way you dress, your vacation. Everything is at completely all new level. You look so happy, you look so bubbly. You are contributing to the organization, you are earning very well, you're supporting your family, children go to a wonderful school, you drive a luxurious car, you have a nice apartment, villa. Imagine and see yourself considerably growing in your professional journey in terms of your designation, in terms of your scope of authority, in terms of your role and responsibilities, and also in terms of your income levels. Look at that new you 10 years from now. Your new designation, your new office space, your new cabin. Look at this energy in you, the smile in you, dynamism in you, command and control in you. So watch yourself in the future. In the future. Take a snapshot. Take a photograph of that future you. Take a snapshot of the future you and slowly bring it back to the present and keep that picture in front of your eyes. Keep that photograph in front of your eyes. Start anchoring that photograph deep inside you. That intention to grow in professional journey. The desire to become better in my professional journey. I want to get my increment, I want to get my promotion, I want more responsibility, I want a better role, higher role, I want more visibility, I want more control, I want more command in the organization, I want more respect. I want to handle a larger project, larger team, larger customer. So start telling to yourself, in the next 5 years, 10 years, I'm going to significantly grow in my professional journey. I'm going to significantly grow in my career. I'm going to double, triple my income levels. I'm going to contribute, I'm going to add value, I'm going to build my visibility. I'm going to help my team members grow in their life and career. I'm going to become an inspiring professional, inspiring corporate leader, business leader in my professional journey. Have that intention deeply anchored inside you. Have that intention deeply anchored inside you. Let every single nerve, every single body part, nerve, muscle, bone, every single cell in your body filled with this intention, drive to grow professionally, desire to grow professionally. Feel that intention, my dear friends, in your entire body, head to toe. Feel that energy flowing inside you, energy of intention to grow in the career, to go in the profession, to become something bigger, larger in the professional journey. Stay there. Start feeling that energy of intention, the power of intention. Stay there. Feel the drive, feel the desire, feel that intention, anchor it very deeply inside you. Tell to yourself, I will grow in my professional journey. I will significantly grow in my professional journey. I will increase my income levels. I'll get more responsibilities. I'll get higher roles. I'll get higher designations. I'll contribute. I'll add value to my company, my project, my customers, my team, my organization. Have that intention deeply anchored inside you. And slowly, gently open your eyes. Slowly, gently open your eyes. Friends, look, this deeper intention is I want in every one of you. Before we really start this amazing journey of learning, step by step, systematic process of becoming better, growing in your professional journey. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. I want you to subscribe this channel, like this video, go to comment section, write your comments and share your feedback in the comment section, and eagerly wait for our next session as part of this Accelerate Growing to the Next Level. Take care and bye-bye. Thank you so much.